Obi be about Focus TV. Very franco. So my say for now anything trending on social media be a rebel. Now Chama to me since na tornado a Fiat Schwarzenegger best friend, ultimate best friend. The Fiat Schwarzenegger best friend, the ultimate best friend. You don't know what to be tornado, and na no at me na. Now, I will say, also subscribe to Focus TV. This is the page you need to subscribe. I need more of intellectual discussion, more of intelligence. You need to more in the sober. No, we don't do that. But comment in soon here. I didn't know. I say none send it back for that is why I person would be audio. I didn't send about. But then the Franco, so I have Focus TV. Subscribe, comment, and like. It's very, very necessary. Subscribe, comment, and like. Enough of the insults. Chama Wontumi will never disrespect Otumfuo. Tornado. Not tornado, no. Or say enough. Or say more di Chama Wontumi atem kakra any more sample atem kakra eye. Na mo due bododo. This will be as ma. Mo twina basa twina ya. Ghana for no. Da bia mo benya na ko bia to asem. Na nka mo nya akonya na makama adwene. Mo so pani paro. Mo di that Chama Wontumi any more sample atem kakra enough of the insult. Chama Wontumi will never disrespect Otumfuo. Nana Tornado. Fires critics. Can sorry no. Controversial Ghanaian socialite Nana Tornado has jumped to the defense of Ashanti Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party (NPP) Bernard Anchibo Siakon, popularly known as Chama Wontumi, for allegedly disrespecting the Ashanti and Otumfuo Osei II. Tornado say, no, or ta to me. No, did the power to deeply power, so did the power to Chama Wontumi. And to Benabo Sak, Penny, Otumfuo Osei II, or Toshimi Nuatam da. Na ye, Momo did that to me, ye. No, did the power na come set Chama Wontumi, and to me, yes, I did no da. Tota Chama Wontumi. He stands with Chama Wontumi. He is standing with Chama Wontumi, said Chama Wontumi to me, yes, sir. According to him, he has known Chama Wontumi for some time now. And he's optimistic that the politician will not make derogatory remarks about the king of Ashanti Kingdom, Otumfuo Osei II, whose throne holds much prestige. Or say, Ono Onim Chama Wontumi, the original chairman of NPP, Ashanti Region Ye pa. Also Onim Ye. Na Onim ni se. O maneni ntana ni nton enko kasantia. Otumfuo Osei II a ote abayi ya no so na ontimi nyesa Chama Wontumi mpere nyesa Chama Wontumi empene enyesa da se odi Asante akonya no Otumfuo Osei II no se de Chama Wontumi se akonya no sombo akonya ne dibre ewo oman Ghana mu no Chama Wontumi empene kasa entia akonya ne da also no he stands with Chama Wontumi no se Chama Wontumi mpere nyesa. He said that he sees nothing wrong with Chama Wontumi claims that he has kingdom. Or say, somebody say, no be in no say, or kingdom. And police or military because everyone has some group of people they are mostly associated with. Or say, that's a because also, or that's a kingdom. Now, no police for this for bomb and no sano, and so what can say too far now. Tornado should that be. Or because are interested or cassette open so and so to Kokoso. Or say, speaking in this, he said that he sees nothing wrong with Chama Wontumi, claims that he has his kingdom, police or military because everyone has some group of people they mostly associate with. As no Chama Wontumi kingdom, no kingdom, just what can I say to you? Debbie. Tornado say Debbie, not Tornado say Debbie. So because our kingdom or our police for or soldier for our born woman, and just what can I say to Debbie, and because what Debbie. Also, no one yarn. Only Ghana for yarn class. So, what would that do as I say? And Obia or Quadon, Obia on the noun for Obia. No, because of the noun for the police for the Sudan for no, Miss Bob Kingdom. Let us walk to for now. Tornado said, Debbie. Speaking in an Instagram live session, not or tablet, not or Instagram, but by Instagram now, or can live, no, can't say speaking in an Instagram live session, monitored by Focus TV. Nana Tornado lambasted persons who are criticizing Chama Wontumi and rebel allegation of him disregarding Otumfuo. Or see, about or buy and focus on Instagram page and over to I am Piambo or Foa. I'm going to do amount to matter. This is amount to me. Set amount to me more. I'm going to need that in town. Black Rasta money. I boy or injury. Catch it. Got the chair free farm. Scrap the spartamo. Oh, Tambo. I said, no. I don't life from some classes. And the baby and military amount to me. Yashi. Omunya life man. For the past 2 weeks, I've had people calling me to ask about what I make of the my father, Wontumi issue with the Otumfuo for disrespecting him. When I got to know, I doubted because I was not sure why a person like Wontumi would ever speak against Otumfuo. Don't think I am close to him, so I would speak in his favor, but I'm being objective. Or see, and Mama go for father said because it's on Otumfuo, any close and also first Wontumi said the papa, I don't think all defend far from that, Debbie. I say far from that. Go for maybe a friend. Busa that drink. They say, "To papa, more two for near. Oh, you know say. What did you say? Oh papa, for two for near. Oh tornado. Oh papa, Wontumi. For two for near. One. I say before maybe no see Debbie. Okay, so Debbie. Wontumi nyan sani adre dan tinu. Nim dia wono. On timi enkasa dia two for that money. Also, me need that. Me susu class set Wontumi repre. Akasa to no. So no. Dear, or no tornado party or nini said Wontumi with myself. If someone insults my mother, I will quickly attack the person because I will not sit aloof for someone to disrespect my parents. So the person who reported Wontumi to Otumfuo should be bold enough to confront him by now, but just reporting the case means you are the one insulting him rather. I say, ono de osusu say enipa oti asem na free Wontumi na okoka che Otumfuo no mom na didi Otumfuo atem because sa osu makonya osu Otumfuo na so bia didi Otumfuo atem prema na eso ni pa twa so esa woni ni pa no kontoko a emu odin ye so no tornado bi ka che o tornado se be predator so o ma metwa ana papa kotia on go ga jo ma me so mama obi so ofie o ana dada obi so kotia dabi oni ni pa be fe so akon eti nipa no okoka che o se be predator sa okokbo atati tradition ka se mane ni Otumfuo amane se Wontumi se wono so kingdom o police for so da for obo ban na Otumfuo kasa kwa na okasa na ono ne nya da onye no o se nipa no mom na edidi Otumfuo atem se nipa na person okat accept Otumfuo na nye Wontumi tornado asema okan na tornado went ahead to admonish Wontumi to be cautious with his utterance because it could land him to trouble one day. I say, and yes, me time the church say the so good things will be out there. I say Debbie. I say alternative or himself when the on to but also also Wontumi share na no kasa yi. On share na no kasa yi. Wontumi share na no kasa yi. Say be ya na no ko yi nika. Na Ghana de ye hu sa ye odwodwom no. Wasem ba ye betiwa yam ye betia yam. Ye be mo say yes. You are see emienu. Ye mo say yes. And ye bete. So see, and yes all can be matter want to say be premier san. Wontumi fa Otumfuo and I say or can say Wontumi eye money bia of aso there bi. But Wontumi so hweni hu ye pa. He added that he sees nothing wrong with Wontumi comment. She say people are all live there still who body be at Wontumi aye. Sa kasa na sa Wontumi kan who body be wom. Say because no be kingdom. No na police work no amaso ya for bomb mobile timidie. Me so bia na de no kasa na body be na. Onye body bia. I don't see anything wrong with Wontumi saying he has kingdom, police or military. No, who body be wom say Wontumi. But it's just like some people have taken the issue personally. I see. Only saw Wontumi what time attack and before Wontumi. Time time say and to boss ya kwa ye obi radio station obi TV station na ye go for ya and go for ya omo ya de Wontumi na me penta wa penta Wontumi a Wontumi ko so na ye go for ya na dey say Wontumi asa na e boni bia go especially gold no so or Wontumi ba team so be ye no ho na go for twa go for akọ da be da ba ya obe sa or say tenhunu kwa or tenhunu. I don't see anything wrong with it. What am I going to say? Yes, no police, but it looks like some people have taken the issue personally. Phobia said not fast, some personal. Personal, my friend, said, I'm a person Wontumi nyansem. Personally, na teacher. Ama boda to da the ne and abro ipumakwen. And I'm a samri, a motion, a basa, a motion farm to say, oh, obi ground on self at us or cassette. I want to make cassette. Just because of say, what time minute. Ọtọ amene so ọsomtọ fọma aboa bi abodi sama wontumi asema kan so nkofo bebrebe afa ne personal ne kwase ko for the personal kura but nkofo adjust me atom ne se de omo no Otumfuo kura wo se fine mo so kura mo no Otumfuo nye fine mo no opim so enye fa Otumfuo se tu nye fine aso se ba for the personal se de mo ne kura da mo ne fine pa so tomando se no nye fine. I would advise Wontumi to be extra careful because he is not the good books of people. I said the foot on the moment Wontumi I had a focus team. My guy said open some penalty. Said the Omukan no chiro na. I had a liberal. But then the Franco also the part of subscribing. See, I don't know what I say. Then like you see, Wontumi, I would advise Wontumi to be extra careful because he is not in the good books of people. See, although the home seller man kasa the Instagram post here or the post or kasi focus media we are seeing anti or man kasa anwa so ni me mo person Frank also Frank ma kasa anwa me da me ma kasa anwa ni teacher me say Wontumi anya atamfo enam dibia MPP wonya wumti enam baumia Dr. Maun baumia do odonti enam MPP party na do mu do nti mo de bibia se say oh ya ekokudi nti no grofo ya enti grofo abo ato grofo aseda abonato the time Wontumi should be very careful. Fish am record the foot on the back Wontumi so all man in now. No, you're very careful. Not go for come back no. I am more time on your careful with them. You see, I'm going to be back different to me. Now said here for abonato. I have focused in the Franco. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks so much for being part of this team. It's a great team. Stay out of trouble and God bless you.